Hello everyone, like I announced last week on Instagram, big announcement. I am looking at the last part of the first half of this year. I always try to set goals, create opportunities or look for opportunities that fit those goals. I'm a big believer of the setting goals mentality. If you want to know, send me a message. I can recommend thousands of books about just that subject. That being said, um, going straight for my goal in trading is also a part of my life where I'm strong with setting goals. So for now, I want to finish the last half of the year strong. I'm a bit ahead of my schedule for the year. April just finished. It's time to look at the last 2 months and determine where we're heading and what do we want. So that being said, setting goals. I'm not gonna take you through the whole process of how I came to those numbers. 12,000 on my markets account. Markets is a broker for those of you who don't know, and FX Pro is a broker as well. Um, Quite obvious, but markets is an account that I have with more money on it than my FX Pro account. I did this on purpose because people are signing up through my bio, joining FX Pro, and to keep an account a little bit smaller, it is easier to explain to you guys why I take trades and how I take trades, and the numbers that you guys will see um, fit more the numbers the new traders will see. So that's a small decision I made. But these numbers are not just numbers. Of course, if you set your goals for the last 2 months, this is not a monthly but a 2 monthly goal. If you set them, make them as smart as possible. Of course, make sure you can measure them, put them in time. Quite obvious, 2 months. It's very specific. These are my numbers. If you are trading 1,000 account of 1,000, you say I want to make 250 in the next 2 months. That sounds safe, and depending also on your trading skills. But I like to work towards a goal. I know this is one of the biggest discussions in trading. Should you focus on the financials or should you focus on the process? So focus on goals or focus on the process. I think you should focus on the process because you have to, you know, have a solid strategy. You have to take the trade when you have to, and you have to exit it when you have to. You can't tell in front what you want to make in a trade. So focus on the process, very important. But then again, it's not like you're gonna. It's the ship has to set course. So this is my course. I'm gonna get those two numbers in the next 2 months, and we'll continue trading after that for a new plan. But this is the focus I want to add for the next 2 months, and I'm gonna take you guys with me on the journey of selecting those stocks, selecting those forex pairs, selecting all that stuff, and get the money eventually. That's what it's about. Manage your risk, everything. I will show you how I manage my trades, where I enter, where I exit, everything. Um, so the next thing you do now, you have your goals. For me, the 12k and the 4.5k. You gotta look for opportunities. I have a certain watch list, and if you follow me for some time now, you'll see some familiar names on there. I will show you my full technical analysis on each of the stocks and forex pairs I'm going to trade. I want to share them with you. I want to take you to my thought process. Of course, feel free to ask questions or give me feedback when you think differently on a move. It's always good to learn from each other. But let's start with that. I've set my goal based on what I want to make, based on the accounts that I have. So now it's time to look for goals to fill those targets for the next 2 months. So this is how I think I will fill my goals. Shopify, I trade Shopify a lot. Shopify is a very strong new stock with a very strong uptrend. Nice swings, so I'm very confident in the setups. Shopify is giving me the the first 4 months of the year, so that's why I'm going big on Shopify. I have some, as you can see, some differences on the things I trade. Shopify, for example, is not available on FX Pro, so that's very obvious. It's not there. Instead, both those platforms have base F. I'm not going to trade it on markets to have. I don't want to trade the same things in the same accounts because it will give me the same problems if things turn bad, and it will also give me the same profits. But you know, you got to spread some things. So base F, smaller account. I'm gonna pick some 500, I think, in FX Pro. That's the plan. Volkswagen just turned around. I've been pointing out that move for quite some time now. So it is actually already running. So 2000 in markets and FX Pro I will trade until I have 1000. Oil is very technically well tradable because the higher highs, the price action, there's so much going on in oil. It's very clear and very interesting to trade. Oil is, you know, with the flipping of contracts, sometimes it's a bit more work. Let's get into that in my technical analysis, but I'm trading it in markets and I'm not trading in FX Pro. Then the Euro Swiss franc, this will be a range trade, in continuing range trade, so expect to see weekly opening and closing of positions in the Euro Swiss franc for both accounts. I really like the small moves that it is making, the small range it is in. To me, it's very clear tradable. And the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar is looking to turn around again this year, and it's ready for a new move. Interesting to notice about this, these are just numbers and just stocks. It doesn't say anything about how I will perform my technical analysis or how I will trade this. Will it be a range trade? Will it be a swing trade? Will this be, who knows what it'll be? But so let's get into that after this. But this gives me some feeling of what I'm planning to do in the next month. So don't forget that when things don't work out in 2 to 3 weeks from now, or maybe after the first month of evaluation, I will add new things. I will change things. I will get out of positions, or I will stay in positions longer to maximize the profit. Everything is possible. There is no failure, only feedback. That's especially in trading. Everything that happens, process the information, and continue going. So in the following videos, yes, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a technical analysis of all the items in this watch list, and I'm gonna share them with you. So check out my next video, and I think we are on the start of a beautiful 2 months where if you follow these video series and interact with me and everything, you can have a really really educational 2 months as well. If you don't have a broker yet, or you're not happy with your broker, please feel free, below this video, join me at FX Pro, join me at markets. Let's make money together. Everything I do is free. Every video, everything I do on Instagram, everything is free. I just want to help you guys. I don't need your money. But it is nice if you would join me through the link, because then there are some commissions for me in it as well. So that's it for now. I'm gonna go on to my next video, and I start my technical analysis, which will be uploaded shortly.